Welcome back to our YouTube channel Lifestyle Ideas JPG. Today, we're delving into the enchanting world of Fulani braids, a timeless and culturally rich hairstyle that has been adorning heads with elegance for generations. Originating from the Fulani people of West Africa, these braids are not just a style, but a symbol of tradition and individuality.
The world has been broke down, the world is just announced. Final time is now, the final time to bow. But I will not get down, for you can't force me now. Awakening is clear, I could show you how, I could show you how to fight them. I could show you how to defeat them now.
If you like this video, please like and subscribe our channel.